Okay, today is Friday. I got lucky yesterday. This was supposed to, the servo motor was supposed to arrive today, but it arrived yesterday. So I have already had an opportunity to, you guessed it, install it. And I can't tell you how cool this is. So it's on right now. It's on and you don't hear a sound. This this is terrific technology. Last night I did try to run a few stitches. However, programming it turned out to be a little bit more difficult than I thought, or I did something else wrong, or incorrectly at least. The old servo motor was working fine. I ran stitches, as you may or may not have seen on my other video with this machine. I put another video up saying pre-servo motor. So now my Premier by console arrived, and I think the console servo motor complements the console sewing machine rather well. Anyway, it's on. You don't hear a peep. You have nice programmability. It starts out slow. It operates slow. You can program in up to 7,000 RPM, which is much faster than I need to go with a walking foot machine. So the next thing to do is just figure out what to do, figure out what my problem is. So I programmed that incorrectly because I could run stitches without a problem on with my servo motor. But now that I've got this on, without my servo motor, it worked well. With my servo motor, not so much. While I was at it buying a servo motor on Amazon, I also got this fancy LED light. I like that. Now I was watching online, I saw a couple of videos on people putting a servo motor on their unit. And one guy showed me a bill for $590 for his servo motor. This one I picked up off of Amazon. It was $120, $130. This magnetic light, which is pretty cool, is 12 bucks. So the total was, somewhere in the neighborhood of 140 bucks. Anyway, I got a discount. If I signed up for an Amazon credit card right away, they'll knock 50 bucks off my order. And they did. So I've got that light and the servo motor for $97. Hooking it up took me less than an hour. It's really pretty easy to hook it up because you get a base. You get a base, I hope you can see it up there, and all I did is remove the mounts. Those black mounts pull right out of there, both sides, and there's 3 of them. So it's a direct replacement for the servo motor that I pulled out. So it could not be any easier to replace this archaic old clutch motor. Same 3 mounting brackets, so it was a breeze. So now I just have to spend a little bit of time going over these directions and figuring out what I did incorrectly to make this get all knotted up. The problem is down here in the bobbin. So I'm thinking I have one stitch setting incorrectly. There are different settings here. One setting is RPM, one is upper and lower needle position. That's number 2. I think that's where I went wrong. So anyway, I'll tinker with it and I'll get back to you when it's done.